Hello, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learning how to show your sketch. To show your sketch, come to your feature manager tree, click on the drop down under the feature, right click on the sketch and click the show, the eyeball. And that is how you show your sketch. Again, to show the sketch for this plate, come to your feature manager tree, click the drop down for the boss extrude tool, right click on the sketch and click the show. And for the next one, which is the cut, come to your feature manager tree, click the drop down, right click on the sketch and click the eyeball. That is how you show your sketch in SolidWorks. And to hide it, it's the same step. Click on the sketch, right click on the sketch and click the eyeball. Again, right click on the sketch, click the eyeball to hide it. Right click on the sketch and click the eyeball. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.